This is Joe from YoChicago.com. Chicago's Riverwalk is a mile-long scene flanked by bars and restaurants. It's a great spot for a morning jog or a midday paddle. It's endless fun. Join me in the video for a walk through 5 studio models at luxury apartment towers, steps from the Riverwalk. Unfurnished units in these floor plans currently rent for $21.28 to $24.83 a month, but rent and availability can change daily. I'm in apartment 701, a studio, looking west through floor-to-ceiling windows toward the park at Lakeshore East, and turning for a view out toward the Chicago River. It's a nice-sized studio with space for sleeping and furniture. Model is showing a office desk, a sleek one-wall kitchen, cabinet front Bosch appliances that include over-under refrigerator freezer, it's a combination microwave and convection oven, 4-burner gas cooktop with a range hood, duotone Snade-Arrow cabinetry, center cabinet lighting, gray tile backsplash, matte finish upper and brush look lower cabinets. Ceilings are at about 9 feet. It's wide plank flooring throughout the apartment. Looking back at those great floor-to-ceiling windows, there are roller shades. Turning toward the entryway, there's a pantry closet. Off to my right, another closet with custom organizers. There's a front-loading Bosch washer-dryer behind the louver door, and another closet that would have been off to your right as you walked into the apartment. Wide plank flooring extends throughout the living areas. There's dark, large format tile on the bath floor. It's an oversized bath. Vanity has a bank of drawers for storage. A wide shower with a frameless glass door. And a soft close toilet. All the cabinetry is soft close also. Everything at Cascade is new. All the finishes are upscale. There are programmable thermostats, a keyless entry system. I'm in an '06 convertible, a plan that's available on floors 4 through 19. Looking across the street at Macy's and just this great urban vista. Turning around into a spacious living dining area, open plan, brushed concrete ceilings at about a 9-foot height, plank flooring throughout the apartment, plenty of space for your comfort seating, your dining room table, your home office. And you have this very efficient one-wall kitchen, good cabinet and counter space, self-closed cabinets, 42-inch uppers, matte finish white and gray contrasting cabinetry, quartz counters, deep, wide undermount sink, tile backsplash. Looking at a coat closet off to my right, turning into the sleeping area. It's modeled with a queen-size bed and flanking nightstands. And then you have a wide closet, custom organizers. There's both shelving and hanging space. Looking back toward the front door to the apartment, bath would be off to your left as you enter. Very stylish finishes. There's a wide vanity with a bank of drawers, quartz look counter, wall-mounted medicine cabinet, frameless glass door on the shower, and a band of contrasting tile to add some visual interest. Just to the right of the front door, we have a full-size stacked washer-dryer. I'm in the foyer of Unit 3711, a studio that faces west. It's about a 9-foot wide closet as you enter the unit. Just beyond that is another closet with full-size stacked washer-dryer. And beyond that, there's another pantry closet with shelving. Oversized bath is off to the right as you enter the unit. There's a wall-mounted medicine cabinet. There's a rain shower head. Nice sized vanity. Attractive tile. You have wide plank flooring that extends throughout the unit. Floor-to-ceiling windows straight ahead. Plenty of space here for a home office desk, your bedding, your furniture. Attractively finished kitchen with white quartz counters, a wide farm-style sink, 5-burner gas range, wall-mounted microwave, 42-inch white lacquer look cabinets that contrast with the darker lower cabinets. Dishwasher, USB outlets in the peninsula. Wide breakfast bar lip can seat 4. That's pretty unusual for a studio. And we're looking out to the west here on a very gloomy day, but you'd have great sunset views from here. Looking out on the Riverwalk, just a short walk away. Chicago's iconic architecture, the Jewelers Building, Marina City. High ceilings here. Very appealing studio. I'm in the wide foyer of Unit 3209, convertible facing the river. There's wide plank flooring and high ceilings that extend throughout the unit. Sleek bath is off to your left as you enter. Stylish finishes, wide mirrored medicine cabinet. Then you have a sleeping area that's modeled with a queen-size bed. Has space for night tables. And a floor-to-ceiling window with a really spectacular view, looking out over some of Chicago's iconic buildings. Marina City, AMA Plaza, formerly the IBM building, the Trump Tower. Looking east along the river. A fabulous scene. You'll find closet organizers in all of the apartments at OneEleven. Turning into the living kitchen area. Again, you have a floor-to-ceiling window. Great kitchen. Stainless steel appliances. Wide farm-style sink, a tile backsplash. Lacquer look 42-inch upper cabinets, contrasting with the espresso stained lowers. And then just beyond the kitchen, you have a pantry closet with shelving and a full-size stacked washer-dryer. I'm in Unit 2010, a convertible apartment, and I'm in the foyer, which is wide enough for a piece of furniture. Coat closet off to the left as you proceed into the unit, and a built-in desk with a quartz counter. Very nice touch. Plank flooring continues throughout the unit. You have a breakfast bar peninsula in the kitchen. Designer fixtures with a black gooseneck faucet and a deep black sink. You have quartz counters. Metallic tile backsplash. 5-burner gas range. And a side-by-side refrigerator freezer with ice and water in the door. Just adjacent to the kitchen, behind the louvered doors, full-size stacked washer-dryer. Floor-to-ceiling windows. A really nice-sized living, dining, kitchen area here. You can easily seat 4 around this breakfast bar peninsula, 4 or more. Then you have a sliding translucent panel that opens into the sleeping area. It's a walk-in closet and an oversized bath. Very attractive tile, brushed gray cabinetry, wall-mounted medicine cabinet, tile in the tub surround that extends up to the ceiling. Head to the building websites to see more floor plans and new real-time rent and availability info.